What's up, guys? Today on the testing rig we have the Menards turn of the century, and it runs great. So here's the light. I don't have all the right light bulbs. 3 of them are warm. This one is cold. So yeah, and some of them have a delay, so it's weird. But let's start off on low. I got this for $20 off of Marketplace. I think it was a good deal. The blades are a little bit droopy, but yeah. Medium. And high. Spin down. And these lights, they have a ball and socket, so you can move them to kind of whatever configuration you want. Really long spin down. I'll turn the light on again. Yeah, I can't wait to have a fan display in our new house, which we will be building. we're gonna have a basement, and the basement is where I'm gonna film my display videos, and I'm gonna bring all my portable fans there so they're not in my grandma's basement anymore. Then of course ceiling fans. So yeah, that was my Menards turn of the century ceiling fan. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and are ready for more swag kit and testing rig fan videos. God, I'm having a very hard time speaking today. So yeah, bye.